Welcome to Spring LIB.
So in this group of young girls, we have Anastasia, Emma, and Greta. They each offer a first, second, and third choice among three different options, as we can see in table 18.2. Why are they going to have a hard time reaching a decision? Well, none of them agree on their first, second, or third choices. And each of them has a preference that combined as a group is going to create a kind of circle in which nothing will ever actually be preferred by the group as a whole. Okay, so if you compare just two of the categories, you'll have a preference. But then when you add the third one in, you effectively get a kind of circular reasoning, if you will. So let's go through the next three parts of the question, and that'll hopefully make it clearer. So does the group prefer mountain biking to canoeing? Okay, well, let's see. Anastasia would rather go mountain biking, right? So we'll put an M there. How about Emma? Emma would rather go mountain biking. Okay. How about Greta? Greta would rather go canoeing. All right. So clearly, over here on the right, we'll put M is preferred to C, or M is greater than C. Okay. Now let's erase these. All right. The next part. What about canoeing compared to the beach? Okay, so for Anastasia, she'd rather go to the beach. Emma would not. Emma would rather go canoeing. What about Greta? Greta would rather go canoeing. Okay, so now we can see that C is preferred to B, or C is greater than B. So far, so good, but this third part is going to throw a wrench into the works. Okay, now what about the beach compared to the original choice of mountain biking? Okay, so the beach compared to mountain biking, Anastasia would prefer the beach. Emma would prefer mountain biking, and Greta would prefer the beach. So now you can see that B is preferred to M, or B is greater than M. So what do we have? Starting from the top, M is preferred to C, and C is preferred to B, and B is preferred to M, but that's what we started with originally. So the group is not going to be able to create a consensus.